Oh, what's that?
I heard something.
Wait.
I can't see them.
I'm at the door.
What though?
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Behind us! Behind us! Shit! I got climb on!
Oh, he got me! He got me! Oh! Oh! Run, Mary, run! Run! Ah! Ah! He got me! Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck, I'm dead! Hell no.
Oh shit!
Who the fuck? Why is my screen flashing yellow?
Cause I
Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Help! I'm gonna die.
good? Where you at?
I don't know. Y'all niggas left me.
I thought you was with
Oh shit! They out here!
Oh!
Oh!
We gotta go
Man,
back.
Law by himself, man!
We gotta go
Y'all
back.
niggas left me!
Come on!
Wait, don't come through here! Go back!
Oh, come back! Come
Go
on.
back! Go
Yeah,
back!
go back!
Go!
Go back!
Close the door. Hide.
Go, motherfucker, go!
Hide, nigga, hide.
They coming somewhere. I seen the shit.
Oh shit! I'm hiding, bro. I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
Ah! I see him! I see him! I see him!
Hey, yo, I'm hiding. I don't know about none of that.
Fuck that shit. I hear something too. What's that? The fuck is that? That's me? That's me?
Whoever in there making that shit ton of fucking noise, man.
God damn, he coming now. He chasing this bitch. Ow! Ow! Close the door! Ow! Get out,
What
bitch!
happened?
Move, bitch!
Oh my god!
Ah! Ah! Fuck that! Go! 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 Fuck the noise! Go! Go!
Oh man, I'm by myself, man. Where y'all at, man?
Niggas running for their lives. Oh, he got me! He got me! Help! Help! Where'd I go? Where's the door? Open it! Run! Where we going? Left! Go to the left! Get out of there! Go, Ghost!
Oh, I hear you.
Fucking hell, man! Fuck off! Damn it! I'm dead.
Hey, he on my
I'm
ass.
definitely dead.
He on my ass.
Oh shit.
I don't even know where the fuck I'm going, bro. Oh, he on my ass. He on my ass.
Oh, I can't see shit.
I got executed, bruh.
I'm done.
Get through that bitch.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
He on my six.
Oh,
I see him.
shit.
I see him. I see him.
Coming.
I see that
I need
bitch.
to
I
hide.
got
Ooh, bitch.
executed, my guy.
Fuck that bitch.
I got fucking executed.
I'm
Ooh-wee.
still alive for now.
There is nowhere to hide.
Gang!
Guys,
Gang! Clutch up! Clutch up!
got him!
Clutch up! Let's go!
And that's how you do it.
Clutch up!
Law said, the fuck you mean? I'm out this bitch.
Let's go! Clutch up!
That's how you do it. And that's how you
I
do
ain't
it,
staying
man.
for shit. I'm outie.
Clutch up!
Won. We won, y'all.
First dub.
Yes, man.
Somebody on me. Oh shit, somebody on me. I ain't got no
I
tools.
told you I'm coming for you.
Who the fuck is Leatherface? Ah!
That's body,
Ah!
Where'd you go, mofo?
Oh, it can't come through that. Thank God. Fuck it. I might as well make all the goddamn noise in the world at this point. Oh Lord, here he come. He got me.
What's up, boy?
He got me.
So I told you I'm coming for you. I meant every word. Now where'd you go?
You know, this shit is better as the victim.
He has to
see
push.
you.
That ain't me. He has to push.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Damn it! He got me! I don't know where to go. Oh shit!
Save him.
Oh shit!
Oh, I know where his ass went. Come here, boy.
That nigga said, "Where you think you going?" Ah, he got me.
There you go. Kill that motherfucker.
Hell no.
Yeah. That's right. The hunt is over. Good shit, Leatherface.
Where'd you think you were going, Law?
No.
Oh shit!
And he better stop before you fall and that shit fuck him up. I'm like, how his old ass got all this supersonic here? You right at the base. Ooh, look at that. Look what I found.
Oh, bitch.
Oh!
What I found?
Oh, he came in right behind his ass.
Hey, get him. Get him, cause hey, get the other side, cause he wanna hit me. You wanna hit me?
Hey, I cracked the fuck out your ass, bro. Got out that jail. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Boy,
Like, get him.
I ain't gonna lie to
Get
you.
him. You so did.
I
see
sure
the
cracked
other
the shit out of
person.
his ass. I said,
I
boy,
didn't
fuck
see
that
you.
shit.
I was like, damn. Where he at?
hey,
Get
where
out.
do you think you're going?
God
I know what the
damn.
other one said. I know what the other one said. Follow me. He ran out this door. I let him go. So we can get him later.
Fuck that shit. I see your ass coming, nigga.
Come here, bird.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Oh my god.
Move, bitch.
Whoa!
I just
Through that,
cracked
got him on the
ass.
ass head.
I just cracked the shit out of Bush ass. Shit!
Who's outside? I see the door open. Somebody's outside.
No, you on my ass, Bush. Stop. Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm sitting there sweating and shit. He on my ass. He on my ass. Whoop whoop.
He said, woo woo.
He on me. He on me.
This
He
shit
on me.
crazy.
He on me. He finna kill me. Whoop whoop whoop. Whoop whoop whoop. Ha ha ha.
I know what I'm doing.
What are you gonna do?
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
Yeah, I'm watching
are
you,
you gonna do,
motherfucker.
How many are there? Come on. Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
Oh shit.
I knew they were here somewhere.
Hi, how are you?
Oh god damn it! He got me.
Damn. There you go. Damn, somebody killed Grandpa.
Someone just fucking knocked me a fucking new fucking head. Fucking law. Fucking dick, where the fuck you go? I'm coming for your ass now. I'm coming for your ass now, bitch.
He said fucking law.
Come here, boy.
He got me. I can't even fucking run no more.
Up in a house as the victim, you can play the victim or the family. Hey there. Especially like Call of Duty, but it's Call of Duty version, but it's
Clutch up!
Motherfucker!
Clutch up!
That's twice, baby.
I was right there.
Clutch up! That's two for the night.
Fucking bitch.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, behind us, he 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 behind us. Move, bitch.
I don't know what the fuck y'all at.
He got me.
Oh damn, I hear that shit too. Yeah, definitely died like shit. I heard that shit.
Shit. Hey, what? And I think
Move, bitch.
Watch, I need to watch. Who escaped already?
He got me. Well, I was trying to jump the page. Alright, go get it. Shut up.
Executed.
Yeah, he won Heisman last year.
Yeah, he the favorite to win it this one. This year too. The projected favorite. Now, is he gonna come after me? He doesn't. I got to do it.
Where is everybody?
Keep his ass occupied. I'm gonna back up. Oh, damn.
All right.
And that was the nigga who was able to play around with y'all motherfuckers. So we gotta clutch up.
Yep. He gone now, so that means y'all niggas left.
Coming. Move, bitch.
Need a door. I need a door to pick.
Shit, he got it.
Got it. I'm gone.
Clutch up. Damn.
I'm the last victim standing, bro?
Fuck.
Let's go, gang clutch. Let's get out of this bitch. Last game of the night, we made it, baby. Last game of the night, we made it, baby.
Okay, it's open. Okay.
Damn, right there.
Go, 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 Barry, go, go. It's open, go. That's where I just left through. Go, go,
That's
go.
what I was looking at.
Go.
Yeah.
Go! We did that shit!
Let's go.
Last game, we did that shit. Clutch up, man.
The last game, man. Best way to end the last game. Man, I've been dying all this time, man.
What'd you say? It took to the last one to get it, to clutch up and do it. We did it. In the stream on the dub. You know how we do. 16 grand fleet.
On a big dub.
Fly high stream.
Let me get dub. Get dub in the chat, man. Get dub to the chat, man. My first dub, all like 80th dub in this bitch.
Funny as hell, yo. My third for the night.
Now come on, Bizarre, knock that shit out.
I got one in online win for escape, and then two in the fucking the root shit for escape.
Hell yeah. The last game is the best one. That's right. It sure was.
Yeah. Oh.